the Democrats are politicizing the coronavirus. I really think, Doctor, you want to treat this like you treat the flu, right? And, you know, it's going to be fun.
Basing our decisions on evidence, on facts, on the best science available is going to be extremely important for keeping Canadians safe.
The vast majority of Americans, the risk is very, very low.
Deswegen lassen Sie mich sagen, es ist ernst. Nehmen Sie es auch ernst.
Why do you keep using this? A lot of people say it's racist.
It's not racist at all, no, not at all. It comes from China.
I want to ask everyone not to see others as potential enemies and not to point the finger of blame.
What do you say to Americans who are watching you right now who are scared?
I say that you're a terrible reporter.
Alors prenez soin de vous. Prenons soin les uns des autres. Et nous tiendrons.
The CDC is advising the use of non-medical cloth face covering as an additional voluntary public health measure. So it's voluntary. You don't have to do it. I don't think I'm going to be doing it.
And I need every New Zealander to help me. We won't achieve that income of looking after everyone unless people follow the rules.
Antibiotics used to solve every problem. Now one of the biggest problems the world has is the germ has gotten so brilliant that the antibiotic can't keep up with it.
We have to understand that as long as there's no vaccine, we have to live with the virus.
Today I'm instructing my administration to halt funding of the World Health Organization while a review is conducted.
There is a need for international coordination, and the WHO is an important part of that collaboration and coordination.
We have to get our country open, Jeff.
Can you say, sir, what metrics you will use to make that decision?
The metrics right here.
Wenn wir jetzt Beschränkungen aufheben, wenn wir Lockerungen machen, dann wissen wir eben nicht genau, was die Folge davon ist.
Supposing we hit the body with a tremendous, whether it's ultraviolet or just very powerful light, and I think you said that has him in check, but you're going to test it. And then I said, supposing you brought the light inside the body, which you can do either through the skin or in some other way.
We're investing close to $115 million for research into vaccines and treatments being developed in hospitals and universities across the country.
And then I see the disinfectant, where it knocks it out in a minute, 1 minute. And is there a way we can do something like that by injection inside or almost a cleaning? Maybe you can, maybe you can't. I'm not a doctor, but I'm like a person that has a good you-know-what.
We will reinforce our epidemic prevention and quarantine systems to become the undisputed #1 epidemic response country, leading the world.
Mr. President, you were with 7 American heroes earlier today, these World War II.
I was.
Did you consider wearing a mask when you were with them, given their...
No, because I was very far away. Plus, the wind was blowing so hard in such a direction that if the plague ever reached them, I'd be very surprised.